This is a quick review for how to read the comments that I made on the first version of your database assignment. You're going to put your finished assignment here in the database revision. Please also remember in course documents, there is a sheet that you can go to, read all of these directions, and then here's the sheet that goes into details about what shall be on each number. Notice that there is an added number 7. Please read that carefully. To read your original document with my comments on it, simply go to My Grades, and that's the simple part. And then, as always, you'll find it here. It says database source in green, and that's graded. And you'll see I got a 60 on it over here. I'm going to click on that, and you'll notice when you click on it, you don't see anything, which is a problem with Blackboard. But over here where it says calculated grade, now you can click on the 60, and that will take you back into the database where you can see what I've said about each one of yours. Notice if you get 15 out of 15, you were fine. But notice that you'll see your answer, and I made mine really big. This was just a test quiz. But notice the response says you need a better thesis statement. So for each one of these, if you lost points, I've given you a comment. I may have copied and pasted in 5 and 6 to show you what you did wrong with those. So this is how you get to that. So you can have this open. You can have the comment this that tells you what needs to be for each one in detail open, and you can have your new document open so that you can work on the work that is due before class tomorrow on Thursday.